Hi everyone, this is Nikita Somani. Today I'm going to speak about how can you be grateful, thankful and feel blessed that we have everything. To just simplify, look at these. Look at these pictures that some are disabled by hand, some are by legs. Can you imagine your life without eyes? I mean, if we close our eyes for 2 minutes, everything is dark, nothing is visible. Then somebody's life they can't at all see. We don't have any problems. We think that we have this problem, that problem, I don't have this, I don't have that, and we really don't think at the things we have. We should be great for everything, whatever, for family, for good life, for food, for good music, for internet access even, because what you live today, what you have is really a dream for somebody else. जहाँ पे people don't even have food for a single time. दिन का खाना मिल जाए तो रात का खाना कहाँ से लाए? People don't even have that. Then I think we have everything. Then what bothers us that we keep on complaining for things. I don't have this, I don't have that, I needed that. Because we always see higher. We see that that person has that, that person has this, and I want that thing. So we tend to don't look at someone who really don't have anything. We always tend to look at somebody who has something and then we also want that thing. Now why? First of all, please stop complaining. You're not made for complaints. Look at the opportunities, look at the different challenges you get, accept those challenges. That yes, there is something good for you. If one door closes, eventually the another door opens, and believe me, that door seems to be really a very great thing, because God has a very beautiful plan for us. I think these famous lines are read by every one of us. Every one of us has read this line, that really our problems matter. No, it really doesn't, because every single person has some or the other problem with them, and problem seems to be something that people want that you have some kind of problem into your life. This is 100% true that any problem has the solution. So first of all, be accountable to yourself. If you think that you have some kind of problem, then obviously there is some solution, right? It has got some solution. The solution can be very easy. Say it to yourself that I am accountable. Hello, listen, my heart, I am accountable. So what is accountable? Write down. If you want something, if you are on the verge of doing something, but you are thinking that how should I do, why should I do, what people would think. Now what people would think is their problem. I think you should think that what you are going to do. Take your own ownership. You really own all your problems, you really own all your successes, you really own all your complaints. So you are not accountable to anybody that okay, I have some problems. So you are only in charge of yourself. So all successes are yours. You even don't need to talk about your successes. Then people talk about your successes, that yes, that person has accomplished this. But then if you fail at something, if you face failure, then might be nobody turns out to be your friend. Then you have to say yourself that okay, I am accountable for this, and I take ownership of my failures. I think if you take ownership of all your failures, then might be you do very well next time, because you know that I am only the owner of myself and I have to do it. Third part is, if you really don't do what have you written, you have said that you are accountable, you have written down that, if you really don't do that, then punish yourself. Punishing yourself is something the biggest thing. Why would any person punish themselves really? No. One simple solution is that if suppose for example if you want to get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock, and if you don't get up, you write it down in your diary that I want to get up at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, whatever it is, and you don't get up, then simple that how do you punish yourself is take 500 rupee note. This is a paper, but Take a 500 rupee note, tear it. Do this. For 4 days you do it. 5th day, mind me you're going to get up at 3 o'clock. That's really a simple trick that 500 bucks are really worth, and you tend to see in dream that okay, 500 rupee note is gone, and at really a very next day you will be out from your dream. You will get up like that and you will start working by yourself. You can try this even if you want to write an article, and if you don't do it, then do this thing. If you want to start something but you are procrastinating it, then you can really do this. Tear a 500 rupee note that just costs rupees 500, but the life at the 5th day would be very much the same which you needed, for which you say that yes, I am accountable. Tough situation will always increase your immune system. So in tough situations, you need to be very much calm, and you need to clap for yourself in those tough situations. So do not bother if it's getting tough. Feel that you are really doing something great. I have been waiting to shoot this video since last 7-8 days. If you like this video, then please like this and share this video. Get motivated to even put more such videos. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon button. Thank you.